Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase to make money. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves verifying your identity, which is a standard security measure. Once verified, link a payment method like a bank account or debit card. Then, deposit funds into your Coinbase wallet, preparing you to start exploring the crypto market. The most common way to make money on Coinbase is by buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Research different assets to understand their potential. The goal is to buy when the price is low and sell when it rises, aiming for a profit. You can also use advanced features like limit orders to automatically execute trades at your desired price points. Coinbase offers additional ways to earn, such as staking. By holding certain cryptocurrencies, you can earn rewards over time, similar to earning interest. Also, explore Coinbase Earn, where you can watch short videos and take quizzes to receive small amounts of various cryptocurrencies for free. This is a great way to diversify your portfolio. For more advanced strategies, consider diversifying your crypto portfolio to spread risk. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Remember that the crypto market can be volatile, so it's crucial to manage your investments wisely and only invest what you can afford to lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.